All right, so here's how the entryway is looking as you come in, and I thought I would change out the entryway rug. So these are a couple that I picked out, solid black, and this one, which is black and cream. So I don't know, it might look black and white on camera, but it is black and cream. You know, my living room or my lounge area is black and white. Doesn't look too bad. But let's see how it looks here in the space. All right, this is how it looks here in the space. Sorry for the glare. Not sure if I like it, so let's put this one back on top. And kind of looks a little better. But let's try the solid black. And I'll have to vacuum again. Here's the solid black. I don't know. I think I kind of liked that it had more contrast with the bohemian style. Even though bohemian is not what I would consider my style, but I like that it gives a different appearance to the entryway. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one you think works best.